Hey guys, I'm back. And I'm Yeelight. And this is Hugh. But nobody likes Hugh. This is what I can do. Hey Siri, clap clap.
Clap, clap. Sure.
Let's get started. Well, the setup process is actually really easy. Well, first all you have to do is put the light bulb in. And the next step is to just connect it to the app. So if you mess up, the best thing you can do is just by turning the light on and off 5 times in a row. And then after you do that, it's going to give you a rotation of colors and then go back to a normal color of white. So the setup process is really quick. You just open the app, press plus, choose the light bulb you have. Next step, type in that password to your Wi-Fi. I'm just going to paste mine. Next step, go back into settings and tap the Wi-Fi that your light's creating right now. It should be pretty simple, Yeelight, blah blah blah, whatever your name is. And then it should connect automatically. It's fairly quick and you can do a bunch of lights in a matter of minutes. And after just a couple seconds, it should be complete. It doesn't take that long. Okay, after the setup, it should automatically give it to you, and then you can just turn it on, turn it off, play around with it, change the color, do whatever you got this light bulb for. So if you get as many light bulbs as I did, and you can fill up the whole room and create this really colorful vibe. So I got 4 light bulbs and 1 light strip. The light strip is pretty nice, it looks really nice. It's waterproof, or it's water resistant, and you can take it outside, use it however, and it's pretty neat. So let's talk about the app. The app is pretty neat. You can control your whole room at once, and you can change the color. They all change almost at the same time. It has flow mode, color, and it has the sun. Sun just imitates what the sun would look like on the outside, or just really white and bright, or really sunset color. You can change each light individually. For example, my bedside, I can set it to a sunset, and then I can change, let's say, my window light or my light strip to birthday party or some other thing. These are already preset scenes, but they look really nice. So you can also connect to this app called If This Then That. It's another app where you could do custom commands. So I use it for imitating daylight at 7 AM in the morning, or 6:45, and that way I can just wake up naturally. And well, it's not natural, but you get it. You can also create your own, or you can scroll through the bunch of other ones that are already pre-made. It's pretty neat and it works well. So there's this widget for iOS devices. You can control the light from here. Sometimes it works, but sometimes it takes a while for it to show up and you have to just hide it and re-show it a couple of times. So I already made a video on this Yeelight, but I felt like I had to revisit it because I didn't cover as much in the last video. But if you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching. I'll leave links for all the lights in the description below, and see you all next time.